This will be a fast unboxing for Fairyloot. This will be the February 2021 box. They got these shipped a little late this month, but it finally arrived. Let's take a look and see what's inside. We have the usual monthly card here. That back a little bit. Tells you everything that's inside the box. And we have, okay, this looks like a pillow case for like a throw pillow. I'll just pick this guy up here so you can see that. It's actually a nice, thick, almost canvasy sort of material to that, so that's pretty nice. Then we have, looks like a candle here. Broken isn't the same as unfixable. Cranberry, peach, citrus, vanilla, Fairyloot exclusive. Looks like it's a bluish color. It says Little Moon Fairy Lights. Interesting. Let's take a look here. I was actually just thinking the other day that I should get some of these for one of my bookshelves. Looks like you got a little battery pack here, and then looks like it's just little moons. Then we have, seems like something pretty heavy. This little pouch here and something inside. Looks like a couple pieces of silverware. Think badass thoughts. That's interesting. Let's see. Doesn't look like there's really anything else on these. I'm sure there's a theme or a specific purpose. Let's take a look. Every locked door has a key. And might be a butter knife there. Let's see. Yes. Oh, upside down here. Everything's science fiction until someone makes it science fact. Okay, so that's interesting. And there's whatever this is, and it looks like maybe there was a top to that somewhere. I'm now officially a bit confused. Okay. Yeah, it looks like it. Maybe the silverware actually went in that, and it just came open in shipping. Not really quite sure. Otherwise, it'd just be 3 pieces of silverware just randomly thrown into a box, which would be really weird. But yeah, I think they actually went in here because this was completely apart. So, okay, yeah, the silverware, I guess, goes into this container. And then, there. Okay, so that's one mystery solved. What's in here? I think there was something I just had in my hand here beside the book, but I seem to have... Oh, here we go. Yes, okay. So we have the book, of course. And it looks like there's a few other things in the box. This might be everything. Let's take a look. We've got a little pouch here. The enamel pin. Plenty of humans were monstrous and plenty of monsters knew how to play at being human. Oh, looks like we're Or upside down. That's funny. If you put the little card here right side up, the pin is upside down. It's like they tacked it in upside down. Unless they just did that to be funny. And if they did, well, mission accomplished because it was funny. And then we have the 2 tarot cards here. 6 of Wands, 5 of Wands. The usual back design here. I think that's everything besides the book. Well, whatever copy of a book this is, it's pretty small. We get our usual, of course, the Fairyloot packaging here. Down. Notes in the book. There's a few other things in here, actually. Okay, so we have the bookmark, what the future holds, and then we have, probably just going to lift the camera for this so it's easier to see the different designs here. There we are. So we have the little art print here with the author letter, and we have the fairy scoop, which of course gives you information about the book. Okay, here's the book. This Golden Flame. I think this is a special cover. It has, looks a little more pink in the video, but I'd say that color could either be labeled as dark pink or like maybe a very light kind of cranberry color. I kind of wish it had been dark, almost like this red here, but it still looks nice. Here's the inside. Oh wow, okay, so there's the cover. And it looks like there's some artwork here on the dust jacket. I'll just use that to keep that open. There's some of the artwork, and there's the other end of the dust jacket. So nice artwork there on the inside. And let's see what the back cover looks like. And now we'll take a look at the book itself. You've got obviously the design here on the front, and then the spine, and then the back is actually blank. And again, nothing special here as far as decorations. And we'll take a look on the inside and see if it's signed. Yes, it is. With a very cute purple signature. Okay, that looks like it was everything. I'll just pull this card out from under here. We'll do a quick little review. Yep, hand-poured candle. We've got the fairy light, the enamel pin. I loved Villains. That series was great. Yep, pillowcase, yes. Cutlery set from Warcross. Okay, that's why I didn't understand that reference. I have not read that. 2 tarot cards. The book, the pin. Okay. So that was everything that was inside the box. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.